Hey there, welcome to our channel. Are you tired of searching for carpet cleaning services near me? Well, look no further because we've got you covered. Limpiar's top-notch carpet cleaning services. Whether you're dealing with stubborn stains, embedded dirt, or just want to refresh your carpets, we've got the expertise and technology to get the job done right. Take a look at these before and after shots. Our team of professionals works tirelessly to restore your carpets to their former glory. Say goodbye to dirt, grime, and allergens and hello to fresh, clean carpets. So, what sets Limpiar apart from the rest? It's simple, our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. When you choose Limpiar, you're choosing convenience, reliability, and exceptional service every step of the way. Ready to experience the Limpiar difference? Booking your carpet cleaning service is easier than ever. Simply visit our website, give us a call, or download our mobile app to schedule an appointment. It's quick, easy, and hassle-free. There you have it, real people, real results. So why wait? When you're searching for carpet cleaning services near me, remember to choose Limpiar for a cleaner, healthier home. Schedule your appointment today and let us do the dirty work for you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to serving you soon. Remember, with Limpiar, clean carpets are just a click or call away. See you next time.